It's sleek, it's fast, and it's packed with technology that would make even a fighter jet jealous. Meet the NH-90A, Europe's next-generation military helicopter that's quietly becoming one of the most capable rotorcraft in the world. From stormy seas to dusty deserts, this machine is rewriting the rules of what a helicopter can do. But is it truly worth its massive price tag? Today, we dive deep into the story, the tech, and the controversy behind the NH-90. Welcome back to the channel Motor Mile Media. NH-90, the high-tech helicopter redefining military air power. The NH-90 was born out of a simple, but ambitious goal: create a single helicopter platform that could handle multiple missions for multiple nations. In the early 1990s, NATO needed a modern helicopter that could operate in extreme conditions, transport troops, perform search and rescue, and even hunt submarines. Instead of each country building their own, France, Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands joined forces, forming the NATO Helicopter Industries Group A, or NHI for short. The result? A twin-engine, multi-role helicopter that was as at home on a battlefield as it was on the deck of a warship. The NH-90 comes in two main flavors: the TTH, or Tactical Transport Helicopter, designed for moving troops and cargo, and the NFH, or NATO Frigate Helicopter, built for naval missions like anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, and maritime patrol. The TTH can carry up to 20 fully equipped soldiers or over 4,000 kilograms of cargo. The NFH, on the other hand, is a submarine hunter's dream, with dipping sonar, torpedoes, and radar that can track threats over vast distances. Here's where the NH-90 pulls ahead of older helicopters. It's the world's first all-composite military helicopter fuselage, making it lighter, stronger, and more corrosion-resistant, a huge advantage for saltwater naval ops. Its glass cockpit is fully digital, with fly-by-wire controls, meaning pilots don't need to wrestle with mechanical linkages. Instead, a computer helps keep the flight smooth, stable, and efficient. Add in night vision compatibility, advanced autopilot, and mission systems that can be reconfigured in hours, and you've got a platform that's adaptable for just about anything. Even the rotor blades are made from advanced composites, designed for quiet operation, a big plus when you're sneaking up on enemy positions or submarines. The NH-90 has seen action across the globe, from NATO missions in Afghanistan, where the TTH transported troops through high-altitude mountain ranges, to anti-piracy patrols in the Gulf of Aden, where the NFH hunted down fast-moving threats. It's also been a hero in disaster relief, delivering aid after floods, evacuating civilians during wildfires, and even rescuing stranded sailors in stormy seas. But there's a big but, the NH-90 hasn't had a completely smooth ride. Early deliveries were plagued with delays, high maintenance demands, and some militaries complained about the cost of spare parts and difficulty of repairs. Australia even decided to retire its NH-90 fleet early, citing availability issues, proving that even the most high-tech designs can stumble in the real world. Despite the criticism, NHI has been making upgrades, improving reliability, updating avionics, and integrating more powerful sensors. With over 500 units ordered by 14 nations, the NH-90 isn't going anywhere soon. It remains a cornerstone of NATO's helicopter fleet, and with each update, it edges closer to its original promise of being the ultimate multi-role rotorcraft. So is the NH-90 a perfect machine? Not quite. But is it redefining military air power? Absolutely. With unmatched versatility, advanced tech, and global reach, It's a helicopter built not just for today's missions but for the battlefields of the future. What do you think? Is the NH90 worth the investment, or is it overhyped? Let's talk in the comments.